He like, takes all my info, goes back to the car, comes back, he's like, I'm gonna let you off with a warning, but you need to fix up that other car and stop driving this thing. And I was like, yes, sir.
Having Aaron here from 802 Garage, and he's got a channel, and he's going to put a nice, many videos on his channel of his cross-country trip.
Yep.
And he's not nearly done yet.
Nope.
And we got Jesse. Jesse, do you still have a YouTube channel?
We do. And I have GearHeads, and I have filmed a couple things, but I've just been really busy, and we haven't put anything out yet recently.
Just giving him a hard time.
The Miata was sitting for about a year and a couple months, and it is actually done now. Like, at least done sitting now. The project's not done, but I can get back to it. It's running and driving again. It had a nightmare of a heater core leak over and over again, and that's fixed. And also we had an issue with the brakes. The master cylinder drained all the brake fluid out, so we replaced that. We did a video on it. It's just not up yet. How to do your master cylinder and flush and bleed all your brakes. And hopefully soon that means I'll be able to start putting the Mega Squirt in it and get back to doing the turbo project, because the car is actually really fun to drive now on a windy road because it handles great, and we did all the suspension stuff already, but it sucks having no power. So.
It's slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm just going to have daily videos of travel and car stuff and seeing other car YouTubers like the Boosted Boys and Sarah and Tuned, and then I have my own projects like my GSX that almost drives. Almost.
Yes, that and his V10 swap.
V10 swap.
Tell about that. That's going to be awesome.
8-liter V10 in a Subaru Impreza like that one. It's almost as rusty.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, that'll last for about, 4 feet before it breaks apart?
I'm hoping that if I roll on the clutch, it'll just do massive burnouts, but if I ever drop the clutch, it's just going to shatter the entire rear end, and that makes for great content.
Yeah, like everyone that has cars that mysteriously catch on fire.
Yeah.
That are all over YouTube.
Did you see the new Rudnick video? Yeah, I was like, isn't that how the last lawsuit happened? He's like, no, I didn't catch a tree on fire this time. It's fine.
Yeah, that wasn't planned or anything.
And he goes, so can I ask why your car isn't inspected? And I go, well, as you can see, officer, it's a little bit hard to inspect. And he goes, why is that? And I was like, well, just take a look. And he takes a step back and goes, yep. And he's like, so what are you going to do about that? I was like, well, I got a $900 WRX at home that I'm going to fix up. That's going to be my new daily. And he's like, wait, you got what? And I was like, I got a $900 WRX. He's like, well, that was a lot cheaper than my WRX. And I go, hey, Subaru guy. So he takes all my info, goes back to the car, comes back. He's like, I'm going to let you off with a warning, but you need to fix up that other car and stop driving this thing. And I was like, yes, sir. Got stopped again in Barrie like a month later. And the guy comes up with the car, sir, do you have any guns, knives, grenades, or weapons of mass destruction in the car? I go, no, sir. And he's like, all right. He's like, you got your info? I'm like, yeah. He basically just went back to his car. He's like, why isn't it inspected? He's like, do you know why I stopped him? Like, probably inspection. He's like, yep. He's like, why isn't it inspected? I'm like, well, I'm broke, and take a look at it. I got another car at home. I just had to have the VIN verified because I bought it from New York. He's like, all right. Goes back to his car, comes back. He's like, have a nice day. I was like, all right. I'm three years out of date. I don't know why these guys are giving me warnings, but cool. Yeah. So since it's basically a Honda, except with a transaxle.
But, the engine faces.
Yeah, and a longitudinal engine, so it's easier to work on. But there's nothing, no ABS. It's the old style AC. It still works from 1993.
That's something to think about.
Still has R12.
And I love working on Subarus because alternator's right here, the accessory belt's right here, starter's right there. I can do the plugs without even taking anything out of this one.
Anyway, it's nice having these guys come visit, so check out their channels, and lots more videos coming your way. As always, we'll catch you on the flip side.